Hi Mary, I have great news for you.
I'm all ears. I hope it's what we had been talking about for the past several weeks.
Yes, it is. The executive team was impressed by the results of the first problem-solving effort and would like to begin our lean journey in earnest. We have been given a small budget to get started.
Awesome. Based on my past experience, the next step heavily involves the executive team. I recommend we bring an EMS consulting group and have them perform an assessment and then engage the executive team with a workshop that combines strategic planning and executive training.
Exactly what I had in mind. Let's do it. Can you give your contact a call and we'll set up an initial meeting to discuss the details?
Will do.
Welcome everyone. Let's talk about why this should begin with the leadership team. You are ultimately responsible for setting the direction of the organization, upholding the values of the organization, and demonstrating the values through your actions. Lean is a culture change, and today marks the first steps in your journey to change the culture for the better. You are going to learn what lean leadership is about. You are going to learn how to set the priorities of the organization and gain alignment, and you are going to learn how to be purposeful in changing the culture. We do this through our daily activities, which we call leader standard work. And perhaps most importantly, we're going to begin practicing problem solving. Ultimately, you are going to be coaching those who report to you and helping them become proficient problem solvers. In order to be successful in coaching others, you'll need to be even more proficient problem solvers. So, our task is huge, but you and I are up to the challenge. Let's begin.
Well, that went exceedingly well. I think we have the executive team fully bought into this process.
That's great. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Executive teams tend to be distracted easily and require constant care and feeding. That's why coaching them through problem solving and daily management activities will become so important.
True. In fact, Karina emphasized that over and over again. She will be working one-on-one with each of our executives as we move forward.
Awesome. So, what were some of the top initiatives to work on?
Well, there were several key priorities. Some of the glaring issues are going to be quality related. EMS uncovered a lot of issues that we weren't even aware of. So, the team is going to be prioritizing eliminating rework and scrap and getting it right the first time. There's still a lot of work to be done there. They also identified some huge opportunities to reduce lead time in our key value streams. The PDX value stream is going to be the first one, and we'll be doing a VSM workshop soon to identify specific improvement targets.
Wow. That's so exciting. I would love to be part of the value stream mapping workshop.
That's great to hear. Because Karina insisted that you should be a part of it. You are going to be mentored directly by her, and you are going to be our continuous improvement director.
Awesome. I can't wait.